Expressing milk. Do you need relief from full breast or planning to be away from your baby? Expressing milk is your best friend. Here is what it means and how to do it with ease. You're welcome to the coming mom. What does expressing milk mean? Expressing milk means squeezing milk out of your breast. You can express it by hand or with a hand pump or an electric pump. If you use a pump, try it before you buy it, if possible. Different pumps suit different women. Always make sure the pump is clean and sterile before you use it. Why express milk? If you are away from your baby or returning to work, you may wish to express milk so that somebody else can feed your baby. Here are 3 reasons why you should express by hand. You should express by hand if your breasts feel uncomfortably full. 2. If your baby isn't sucking well and you want to give him breast milk. 3. If you don't want to buy or use a pump to express milk just for a personal reason, then you can hand express. Here is how to express milk by hand. 1. Cup your breast and feel back from the end of the nipple to where the texture of your breast feels different. 2. Use your thumb and index finger. Gently squeeze this area. This shouldn't hurt. 3. Release the pressure and repeat again and again, building up a rhythm. Avoid sliding your fingers over the skin. Milk should start to flow now. 4. When the flow slows down, express from the other breast. Keep changing breast until the milk stops or drips very slowly. 5. If the milk doesn't flow, try moving your fingers slightly towards the nipple or further away, or try a gentle breast massage.